This one is your verse. The words are too late. Goodbye, everybody. I've got to go. Gotta leave you all behind and face the truth. Big Mama. Anyway, fulfilled for long. I don't wanna die. Sometimes I wish I'd never been born at all. Nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, telling his life from his monstrosity. Easy come, easy go, will you let me go? Still not go. You will not let me go. Still not. Let me go. I'll let you go. Let me go. I'll let you go. Let me go. No, 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 no. Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. Let me go. Yells him out as a devil for a cyborg. Let me hear it. Come on. So you think you can stop me and spit in my eye? So you think you can love me and leave me to die? Oh, baby, baby, just hang out, just hang out. Nothing really matters.